A dedication to all the refugees worldwide. One time. Say. I remember when we used to sit in a government yard in Brooklyn. About solving the crookedness. As it mingle with the good people we meet. Good friends we had, good friends we've lost. The way in this great future you can't forget your past. So dry your tears, I say, until my peeps who passed away. No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. Little sister, don't shed no tears. No woman, no cry. Say. I remember when we used to rock. In a project yard in Jersey.
Tabrak. Yeah.
And stolen cars passed through the night. And then we'd hit the corner store for roots, paper, and brew. My drinks, my only remedy for pain of losing family. But while I'm gone, shorty, everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. Fuji's come to the dance tonight. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. Oh, everything is gonna be alright. The gunman's in the house tonight. But everything is gonna be alright.
Rafting di Sungai Gempang, khususnya di Wahana Lestari.
Seru dong, pastinya seru. Banyak teman-teman juga di sini, rame gitu. Jadi kayak keluarga gitu.
Gitu ya, mantap ya.
Harus coba lagi.
No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. Hey, little sister, don't shed no tears. No woman, no cry. Say. I remember when we used to sit in a government yard.